The way you solve any picture cube is by using the beginner's method. So let's start. So first you gotta make the cross. So let's see if one of the cross pieces are good. It looks like this is good, like in the correct spot, but it's not in the correct orientation. See that the center is in the wrong spot and this is in the wrong spot. So let's fix that. Then it looks like it's a wrong spot too. It's not in the correct center. So let's move it to that. And it looks like the center is wrong, so you gotta move the center, which is just by doing a move. This. Now the center is correct. Now the next step for beginner's method is solving the corners. It's pretty simple. Just find the corner here. This is the shark, so it goes here, and this is the water. It doesn't go here. So let's see here. Looks like it matches these two. So let's do it. Move it away from the spot it's going in and put it in. Okay, let's do the next one. And the shark, it looks like this part is shark, so let's do that. Put it in. Step is solving the edges for this second layer. So let's check. Does this edge go here? Let's check. It goes to the shark, so it moves here. And does this edge belong to this? Yeah. So let's insert it this way using beginner method. Now it's up. Then the next one. Nope. Yeah. Same texture, so yeah. It's supposed to go here because it has a sharp part. And this doesn't have that. So let's insert it using beginner's method. Now we have to orient the edges. First, you gotta check if all the edges are in the correct spot. This is not in the correct orientation because this is not part of this shark. So that's how you know in a picture cube. So you gotta make a top layer cross, and we only got 2 of them solved. So to solve more of them, we gotta do this algorithm called F R U R prime U prime F. Then you will get a line case, or you'll get 2 edges, which I just showed. Now, if you get this case, just don't do this, do this. Then do F, R, U, R prime, U prime, F. Now look at that. You solved the cross. So now all the edges are solved, but sometimes you're not solved. It's not solved. Your edges are not solved, don't panic. But I got lucky last time, so they were solved. But if you're not lucky, you'll get either 2 edges solved here, then you gotta solve these 2 edges, or you'll get these 2 edges that are solved. Like if you get either one of those cases, 2 edges on the back or 2 edges here and here. Then you do R, U, R prime, U, R, U2, R prime. Then let's check. This is solved, this is solved, this is solved, and this is solved. Now you solved all the edges. And if your shark is like not working, like it's not in the correct orientation, don't worry. There's a fix for that. The next step is orienting the corners in the correct spot. So the way you do that is by doing this algorithm. But first, you gotta put the solved corner on the right. And if you don't have any solved corner, just do the algorithm, then put the solved corner to here. Then repeat the algorithm till all the corners are solved. So let's do it. U, R, U prime, L prime, U, R prime, U prime L. Now that should not do anything. You should do another one, then it should work. U R U prime L prime U R prime U prime L. And now all the corners should be solved. And if this is still wrong, then don't worry, there's a fix for that. Apparently, last time I got super lucky and actually solved all the corners. We're supposed to do this step, so which is move, like rotate the cube upside down, so the unsolved spot is here, and all the unsolved corners are here. So let's solve them like this. R U R prime U prime. Then repeat it till it's clearly solved. This is solved, then this is solved, this is solved, this is not solved. So let's fix that. And all of them are solved. And if this happens, I have a fix for that. So if this rotated 180 degrees, which moves this here for 90, then here for 180, which makes it so. But if it's not like that for you, if it's like 90 degrees, then you must have solved a center wrong. But for me, I solved all the centers correctly, so I got 180. And it always should be 180. So let's do the algorithm to fix this and rotate this 180 degrees, which is R U R prime U 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 R U R prime U. Now this is rotated 180 degrees, and you finally solve a picture cube.